The text said Moser or Moser, but in the German pronunciation, it is actually Moser. Google, please confirm.
Moser, Moser, Moser,
Right.
Moser.
It's time to test the Mutza 1400. Hello, viewers! I hope everything is great. I'm James from James Bugsik Videos. Today, we're going to unbox the most popular piece in the barbershop. German-made Mutza 1400s. Stick around till the end to see its actual performance. Right. So, what's inside the box? Let's dive in and have a look. Inside the box, you'll see an instruction manual, obviously in different languages. The unit with a protective case or covering. This also includes an 18mm cleaning brush, a 14mm to 18mm attachment comb made out of plastic material, and a bottle of oil, special blade oil. Let's put this aside. The unit is equipped with a star blade, made in Germany. Full metal blade that allows black forest precision. This runs approximately 6,000 RPM or revolution per minute, with a multi-click cutting length adjustments with 5 unlockable positions of 0.7 to 3 mm variations. Powerful oscillating armature motor operating at 10 watts, 250 volts and 50 Hz. Attached with a 2-meter cable. This hair clipper includes anti-counterfeit features. One is the laser print in the lower housing with verification code. The laser engraved made in Germany in the star blade. Another is the micro writing in the packaging. I hope you see it's there. And the hologram that is completely embossed in the packaging. Yes, that's not a sticker. It's embossed. Made in Germany. Well, that's that. Let's try the run and have a closer look. Plug it in. This is the power switch on and off. This is the adjustment lever. This is the adjustment lever lock. Look at the blade right here. See how it adjusts. Lock. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Alright. This is how you insert the attachment comb. Slide it right in. Press. There it is. On. Adjust as you will. Lock. Release. And there you have it.
It's loading now.
It's time to test the Moser 1400s.
Nasaan ba yung tubo?
There you have it, guys. See you in the next video. Yeah. Peace out, baby fries. Peace out.
I'm here as well.